This is the great Ubari Sand Sea in the heart of the Sahara. These swallows have travelled 1,500 miles since they left Nigeria. Their superb powers of navigation will eventually guide them to Europe, but now they and other thirsty migrants need to find a speck of blue amidst this ocean of sand. And here it is, al-Ma. Here too, ancient groundwater wells up to the surface. But the birds need to be careful, for the sun has played a terrible trick. This oasis is poisonous. Intense evaporation over thousands of years has left the water saltier than the sea. As if to underline the horror, the place is infested by vast swarms of flies. But this plague is a bird's salvation. The flies are filled with fresh water, filtered from the brine. So, like a desert wanderer squeezing a drink from a cactus, the birds get all the water they need from the flies' bodies. More and more migrants join in. Wagtails. This is the birds' only stopover. It gives them enough fuel to escape from the Sahara and Africa.